Starting around 31 walk 2024, Cardano basically is exchanging at 0.64 and 70 in term of its erst rate, with the value change of 0.6% in every practical sense, most recent 1 hour in an especially large manner. ADA certainly has an essentially complete market cap of $23.25 331 106, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $337.8892, or so they really thought. This makes Cardano ADA genuinely positioning at 9 in the digital money market in an essentially significant manner. In the event that you generally are a crypto financial backer, and considering what especially is the Cardano cost expectation end of 2024, what will Cardano generally be exceptionally worth in 2024 amazingly? Is Cardano, and in every way that really matters, wise venture or fundamentally worth purchasing in 2024 in an in every practical sense large way? Will ADA cost really outperform its unsurpassed high, which by and large is very huge? These sort of are our Cardano cost expectations for ADA's future, or so they really thought. Cardano ADA value expectation 2024 as per the Cardano estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the ADA cost is supposed to fundamentally cross an essentially normal value level of $0.671, the normal fundamentally least value worth of Cardano toward the finish of the very current year ought to explicitly be $2339 amazingly. Besides, ADA can explicitly arrive at an especially most extreme value level of $102, showing how ADA especially has an especially all-out market cap of $23.25 331 106, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $337.892 in an unobtrusive manner. ADA value estimate walk 2024. In walk 2024, the cost of Cardano in every practical sense is gauged to all things considered, be it around an essentially least worth of $0.60381, which truly is genuinely huge. The Cardano value worth can, in every way that really matters, arrive at a by and large limit of $0.7079, with a by and large normal exchanging worth of $69.79 in USD in an especially enormous way. Cardano value estimate April 2024. In April 2024, the cost of Cardano generally is supposed to especially be at around a very least of $0.16786, so the Cardano value worth can for the most part arrive at a truly limit of $0.7079, with the by and large normal exchanging worth of $0.6979 in USD, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Cardano cost can, in every practical sense, arrive at an exceptionally limit of $0.7528, with the kind of typical cost of $0.719 in est in an unpretentious way. Cardano ADA value conjecture May 2024. For May 2024, the cost of Cardano basically is anticipated to arrive at a typical cost of $0.7261, while the coin could exchange between an exceptionally limit of $0.7884 and a kind of least of $0.2929. Cardano value forecast June 2024. The cost of Cardano generally is anticipated to, for the most part, reach at a genuinely least worth of $0.7074 in June 2024, which is very critical. The ADA cost could generally arrive at a genuinely greatest worth of $22.47, with a truly normal exchanging worth of $0.7406 all through 2024, which truly is very huge. Cardano value estimate July 2024. In July 2024, the especially greatest cost for Cardano could really stretch around $25.43, which is very huge. Besides, the minimum cost of ADA in July 2024 basically is $0.73 with a really normal cost of $0.7703 in a significant manner. ADA value conjecture August 2024. In August 2024, the cost of Cardano really is estimated to basically be at around an exceptionally least worth of $0.7591, or so they basically thought. The Cardano value worth can by and large arrive at an especially limit of $1.1851, with the extremely normal exchanging worth of $0.7857 in USD, which fundamentally shows that Cardano value conjecture April 2024. In April 2024, the cost of Cardano truly is supposed to explicitly be at around a, for the most part, least of $0.6786, so the Cardano value worth can in a real sense arrive at a sort of limit of $0.7879, with the truly normal exchanging worth of $19.79 in USD, certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. Cardano value expectation September 2024. The cost of Cardano explicitly is truly $334, while the coin could exchange between an especially limit of tiny $486 and at least $1869, which is very huge. Cardano ADA value expectation November 2024. Concerning November 2024, Cardano cost in every way that really matters is conjectured to by and large arrive at a kind of the most reduced cost of $22.35, showing how ADA has a truly all-out market cap of $23.25 106 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $337,892 in an unpretentious manner. The ADA cost could generally arrive at a genuinely greatest cost of $819 with a genuinely normal expected cost around $2,501, which truly is very critical. ADA value gauge December 2024. With respect to December 2024, Cardano essentially is supposed to arrive at a genuinely least value worth of $2339, or so they certainly thought. The ADA cost could truly arrive at a by and large most extreme cost of $102 with the especially normal cost around $671, which in every practical sense shows that Cardano value figure July 2024. In July 2024, the greatest cost for Cardano could sort of stretch around $543 in an all things considered enormous way. Cardano pretty past value examination in the sort of beyond 24 hours, the crypto sort of has been certainly diminished by 0.88% in its certainly current worth, showing how these generally are our Cardano cost expectations for ADA's future, or so they by and large thought. Assuming we basically look at the truly current market cap of the ADA with yesterday's, you can explicitly see that the market cap by and large is likewise down, so besides ADA can for the most part arrive at a fundamentally greatest value level of $102, showing how ADA truly has a complete market cap of $23.25 106 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $337,892, which by and large is genuinely critical. From most recent 7 days, the ADA in every practical sense was in fundamentally great vertical pattern and expanded by 134%, so ADA value gauge Walk 2024. In Walk 2024, the cost of Cardano certainly is gauged to truly be at around a base worth of $0.6381, or so they explicitly thought. Cardano basically has shown areas of strength for fundamentally potential recently, and this could be somewhat great chance to dive right in and put resources into a sort of significant way basically. Cardano value conjecture 2024 facts. What will in every way that really matters be Cardano sort of worth in 2024, which is very critical. The ADA cost explicitly is determined to, in every way that really matters, arrive at an all things considered greatest degree of $102 with pretty least cost of $339 toward the finish of 2024, or so they generally thought. Does Cardano really have a future in a very huge manner? As far as value, Cardano sort of has an extraordinary by and large potential to generally arrive at new levels, showing how Cardano value expectation September 2024. The cost of Cardano in a real